Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Honda Fit. First, let's prepare by gathering all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a new oil filter, approximately 3.5 to 4 quarts of fresh 0W20 or 5W20 synthetic engine oil, a 17mm wrench, and an oil filter wrench. Don't forget a drain pan, a funnel, clean rags, and a new crush washer for the drain plug. Safety is key, so ensure your vehicle is securely elevated on ramps or jack stands. With your vehicle safely elevated, it's time to drain the old oil. First, run your engine for about 5 to 10 minutes to warm the oil, making it flow more easily. Turn off the engine, then locate the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm bolt, on the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath. Carefully remove the plug, being mindful that the oil will be hot, and let it drain completely for several minutes. Once the old oil has drained, move your pan to catch any drips from the filter. Locate and carefully unscrew the old oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Next, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to approximately 30 foot-pounds. Now, it's time to add the fresh oil. Using a funnel, slowly pour in about 3.5 quarts of your new 0W20 or 5W20 synthetic engine oil. Start the engine for a few minutes to circulate the oil and fill the new filter, then turn it off. After a moment, check the oil level with your dipstick, ensuring it sits between the minimum and maximum marks. Finally, reset your vehicle's oil life indicator through the dashboard menu.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.